Hello everyone, and welcome to the SaaS webinar. I'm Asaf Shlomi. I'm the SaaS portal product manager. With me in the room we have Sarita Riel, which is the user experience and functional architect, and Eres Sela, which is the SaaS portal R&D team leader. They will help me to show you the new portal, and we're going to present a new UI and some more functionality to our portal, and I hope you enjoy it. So in order for us for me to ease on the demo, I will use some personas, and the first one is a person called Andrew Manager. He's application director at Mercury Tools. Andrew has a team of NOC that provides tier 1 support for his internal customers who uses the SaaS application that Andrew is in charge of. And the team opens tickets and logs tickets to SaaS support, as well as Andrew controls the budget to buy more SaaS tools. So Andrew would like to view the status of the application, so he logs into the portal, to our new portal. And unlike in the old portal, Andrew immediately access the portal itself and can immediately see in front of him all the assets that he has, all the products that he has. So we can see in front of us that Andrew has several products. He has the ALM. Underneath we see the BAC Anywhere, and below it we can see the Agile Manager. Agile Manager has 4 tenants or 4 projects that the customer he purchased for it. So we can see each one of the projects that the Agile Manager that he has for Agile Manager. We can see that 2 tenants are in trial mode, and you can see the trial notification at the right side of the trial. One of the trials, it's already expired because the trial is valid for 30 days. So Andrew can see that the trial is expired. Hovering this icon, you will see that it's expired. And the last product that we can see in front of us is the Performance Anywhere. We can see that it's also in a trial mode, and there is orange mark that says that it's going to be expired soon, and he may want to take action on this one. Andrew can also modify the name of the tenant. So because he has multiple Agile Manager tenants, and it might confuse him, and he wants him to know to which tenant to log in, he can go ahead and modify it, for example, CRM team or whatever he wants to name this tenant to call it. In the right side, Andrew can see the notification board. So basically, here what lists is all the notification is, but that he has on the entire product that Andrew runs. But also, Andrew can filter the notification per product. So this red tag that he has against each one of the products indicates how many open notifications he has per the product. So if Andrew would click on the, for example, ALM, you would see that he has 2 notifications. Clicking on the notification itself will open and view the entire notification that he has there. In addition, we have Andrew has the option to go and log into the ALM instance from here. So he has this login link and access directly to the ALM that he has. Now, Andrew has also a customer success manager that he would like to contact him. So if Andrew would hover over the small icon or the contact us icon, you would see the detail of his customer success manager and the email, and how can he contact his success manager. So Andrew decides that he needs to buy more Agile Manager, for example, or to transform one of his trials to a buy. So then he would go to the billing tab to view what we can see there. So first of all, in the billing tab, we can see that we have the product, and he can browse the product. If you go to the top of the product, we can browse between the products. We should remember that the billing tab applies mainly not mainly to the new products that can buy online and to buy and to get a free trial. So once he browse between the products, he can also flip between the tenant that we have. If you remember, we have the Agile Manager and just replace the CRM team to the name. If he clicks on Ready to Buy, he will go directly to our buying page, and this is where he can see that he can buy the product. What you can see that it's going to buy the license for the CRM team trial tenant, and we can see in the top right hand that Andrew is already logged in here in this page, and he can now do the purchase. So he can select the license, click on buy, and then fill in the payment method in order to pay online. So we go back to the billing tab, and we continue. Now, another function that Andrew is responsible is to add users to the portal and to provide his users the right roles and permissions. So first of all, we can see here the list of the users that Andrew has on his account. He can search for new users and to find the user that he looks for. And in easy, he can create a new user. If he wants to add a new user to the team, just click on the new user and open a new user for account. So if you take, for example, we create a new user for ourselves. So we're creating a new user that we call Dan Hopper. It's an operator in his team. We fill in the first name, last name, phone number that can be for this test. Now, we can see that there's a box that you can tick if you would like to review the notification, but because this operator would like we'd like to provide him some roles, and so he can do some action in the portal, we click on the advanced roles and select the role that we would like to provide him. So if we have, for example, request manager, if they allow this open request to SaaS. Now, we would like to restrict the number of applications. This particular person would be responsible, for example, only on Agile Manager. So by the allowed services allow us to restrict his view only to those services. So if we clean the other services now, and we click the create user, this person that this Dan Hopper would be able to access the system only and to view those assets. I think the system doesn't like our gibberish that we put there. So our next persona that we'd like to view is a person called team member. So yeah. Tim is a member, and although he looks very young, but he's a student that works in Andrew's team. He's a NOC operator. He gets requests from his internal customers and open tickets for SaaS engineers to handle his requests. So now we log in, we switch users, and now we will log in as team. So first of all, we can see that team access is limited to only two functions: to my product when it starts, and to request. So team does not have access to the user management, and of course not for the billing. And it doesn't have the right to do any purchaser or to add more users to the system. So team goes to the request tab in order for us to open fast tickets to SaaS. So let's go over first of all the view that team has in front of him. So what we see in front of us is the entire list of open tickets. So first of all, team can filter requests by product. For example, if we take one of the products, Agile Manager, now we see only Agile Manager, or we can select all products. He can sort the tickets by various of value if it's last modified date or open date. And there's another powerful tool, is a search box, where you can search by ID, by open person, and some other functions. And the nice thing is, like, while typing, it already searches and filters and brings the right ticket. What we can see more on the screen, we can see that there are 4 requests that are pending for team response. So when team clicks on this message, you will see immediately those 4 tickets that's waiting for response. So we see that 3 tickets were resolved, and one of them is sending customer replies. This is where team clicks and can see what's inside. So when team enters to the system, he sees the detail of the ticket, of course, and he can go to the journal and to view the discussion that he had with the customer before. Now, this new journal look like a discussion that we know in all our messaging. The windows are wide. You can see there is a large volume of text that we can add here, and we can go over and see all the discussion that we had before. If team would go now to close the ticket, and we see there's a ticket that was resolved already, so it means the SaaS operator finished his work and now marked it as resolved. It's pending to our team to approve or to deny, to reject it. If team would reject it, the ticket will reopen. But if team decides to approve and he's satisfied with the resolution, he clicks on the approve and continues, and a new survey would open for our team. This is where you can, we would like to hear about how he think it was, his ticket was managed, if he's happy from our service. So team is very, very happy from our service, of course. So everything gets the best score that we can add, and he can also add a free text mark to say how wonderful are we with our service. Another option for team do is no thanks, because if you don't want to answer, just click no thanks, and you can skip on this survey and continue with the closure of the ticket. So now team can go to the request. Let's go to open a new ticket. Oh, let's go to request history. Sorry, we can see the tickets that were closed. If you go to the request history, then we'll see all the closed tickets that we have, and we can find a ticket that we just closed now that actually moved to the history. It's not part of the open ticket that's waiting for us to action. Now team would like to open a ticket for us and to start, so he clicks on the open new ticket and the open ticket will be open for him. We have okay. And I'm sorry for the delays that we have around the service. You should understand it's network, and we overseas, and sometimes we have a small delay because of it. So if a team decides, you can decide even to report a problem or to request on a service, and so the team can report a problem, open the problem ticket, and select the product that he would like to report on the product. By the way, one of the products is the SaaS portal itself that team can open a ticket for a fault in the portal that he has. So he selects the severity that he believes that the ticket or the impact on his system, and clicks to continue. Type in the title that you want to add and the body of the text that we have here up to 5,000 characters. I think it's enough to detail. He puts the urgency for us to reply on it and the impact on his users, and can attach files with evidence and whatever he needs to attach to this program, and clicks on submit the request. So a new ticket was opened, and now everyone is happy. And we would like to go over some overall view of the portal itself. So what we have more in our general view of the portal. So if you go to the top right, we can see here links to HP's social network. So it's a SaaS, Facebook page, Twitter, or LinkedIn of SaaS, or in HP. As well as team can go to quick access to his user management, and when he clicks here, he has the access to his profile, to change his password. He can find the contact us details, the privacy detail that he signs, and the term of use that he signed while creating this account for him to use. Another option that we have here is the what's new. So basically, the first time that any user would log into the system, he will have he will see this what's new panel that will open for him with explanation of what's happened now. Basically, it's whatever we saw so far. Every function has its own area that you have a detailed screenshot, and you can understand what's new in our portal and how to do stuff. From the second time that one would log in, it won't pop up, but as you see in the bottom left, we have the what's new link that the customer can all the time can click and open the page like we did now. So I think Andrew is now very happy, and I would open the line for questions, or we can see if we have any questions online. Do we have any questions online? Okay, so I just opened the line.
The leader has unmuted your line.
Okay. The line are unmuted, so guys, if you have any questions, we are more than happy to answer on any question that you have. Okay, so I understand there are no questions. In any case, if you want to launch a request and to have any idea or would like to speak with me, I'm a product manager, and my role is to hear your response and and understand your requirements. So feel free to contact me. My email appears in the on the virtual room main page, and you can also contact your customer success manager that to give my details. And thank you very much for your time and joining the call from all of us. Thank you.